Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and glue this block up, and then I'm going to go ahead and wet the edges. What this does is when I apply glue to it, it gives you a little more work time. It's not bad for the wood. Obviously, you don't want to spill over onto the finishing surface because it'll raise the grain just a little bit. It doesn't need too much. And I'm going to put this glue in. You still want to work at a fairly good clip, because that water is going to dry out or get sucked in. You can see there's a lot of surface area here, and that's the beauty of this joint is not only do you have that locking miter, but you also have a lot of surface area for the glue to adhere to. Let this dry overnight, and then we'll sand the edges and then round off the corners, and we'll have another piece just like the first one.